Hi, Mike Dell here, back for day 75 of Pixie Post 2020 Vision Challenge. It's a pretty good day today, a little lazy, but very productive and moving forward. Um, for today's challenge, somebody came up with a question today that I thought was a little difficult to answer just by giving the document to do it with, make it happen basically, because it doesn't actually give you the information you need. But doing a post in on the blockchain, it doesn't matter which site you use, whether it's CTV Talk, Hive, PeakD, wherever, it doesn't really matter. It's pretty much all the same thing. There's the Markdown system. There's also HTML system that you can use. You have the choice. The HTML, there's a ton of training out there on that, but I don't see as much on the Markdown. So I wanted to show 4 quick things of what you could do on a blog post to kind of trick it out a little bit, or make it look a little better, or help you out with a few things or whatever situation. First, I'm going to start off with clickable images. If you're just going to put an image in, you can just copy and paste it or whatever and stick it, or drag it in there and drop it off of something that's saved and stick it in, and it will come right open and you'll see the image over here. This on PeakD, I like to post here because you have the side-by-side image. If you post on ClickTrack-Profit, it's like a over and under thing. So I like it better here, to be honest, but wherever, it doesn't really matter as long as you're comfortable with where you're posting. So to make the first image, this is going to be from a saved image that you can put on and post, and that'll be the first link here. That's the link that I want it to go to is in the parentheses here. And in these brackets, I'm going to put the picture. So I want to drag this book, we'll say, for the I Am Alive challenge, and we'll stick that right inside. Oops, I missed. Let it finish up everything. But it should be inside of those 2 brackets. I missed the brackets, so it's not going to come out exactly the way it's supposed to. But what we'll do is we'll just move that up in there, and now if you click on it, it'll take you to this link right here. It'll be a clickable image. So that it'll take you to this link right here. And the other option is to put in, maybe you're adding a banner or something else that's hosted online somewhere that has an actual link address. That's the second option. And to make this one to where it's a clickable image, you want to go through the parentheses here and put the link to the banner that you want to use, and then that'll be the link for the banner, and this will be where it goes to basically when you click on it. And then the next one, we'll go through and do some text so that you can show how to make a word bold or a word italicized or italic. So there's a quick, easy way to do this. You just put the little stars here, 2 of them, on each side of it, and it'll make the word bold. And you can do with italic, you do the same thing, but you just put 1 on each side, and it'll make it italic. Those are pretty simple steps. They show you in they show you easily inside of the Markdown publication, but these other two are a little more difficult. They show you how to put a link up, but they really don't show you how to make it, or a link or an image or a clickable text, but they don't show you how to make a clickable image necessarily, and you have to kind of combine a couple things to make that happen. So for the educational purposes of moving forward, I wanted to make sure that people know how to do that. So that's the purpose of me creating this video on this post. That's a couple ways of making your post look a little better, instead of just being text documents or whatever, and having more use out of your posts. So I hope this information is great and useful to you, and I will be back tomorrow for day 76.